A spark of light can give a ray of hope. A spark of light can alter your way of life. A spark of light can redefine you. Inventaa LED, India's leading manufacturer and supplier of extensive range of indoor and outdoor lighting products. Pioneer and a household name in garden lights in India, Inventaa continues to etch successful milestones. Inventaa has always been the customer's choice for garden lights, home and industrial LED applications. Started in 2006, continues its successful journey serving customers across the country. Our vision is to be a global leader in LED lighting solutions, illuminating a sustainable and brighter future for all. At Inventaa, our mission is to revolutionize lighting through innovative LED solutions that enhance lives, protect the planet, and drive economic growth. Behind this growth story is the vision of its founder and MD, Mr. V. Ravichandran. Mr. V. Ravichandran has enabled exponential growth, thereby ushering prosperity to Inventaa's dealers, distributors and its employees. Eye to detail, high quality finishes and timely delivery makes Inventaa above competition. Our working process is well streamlined with adherence and emphasis on quality parameters, having end-to-end manufacturing facility. We offer wide choice of design, waterproof, rust-proof, unbreakable, with higher brightness, energy-saving, long-lasting and cost-effective innovative LED solutions. Our design team works strenuously brainstorming and creating 100% original patented designs in-house with attention to class, comfort, beauty and design. Our LED products are BIS, CE and RoHS certified. We are an ISO 9001-2015 and ZED certified company. ISO TS 16949 certified injection molding plant adhering to topmost quality parameters. Inventaa is the only company with a state-of-the-art domestic manufacturing plant with end-to-end product development. All our outdoor lighting products are waterproof, flame-proof, rust-free and unbreakable. Our products are tested and certified for electrical shock-proof. We use high-grade, UV-resistant polycarbonate materials which makes our outdoor products unbreakable and color-stable. High-grade SAIL stainless steel to ensure that our outdoor products are rust-free and hence have longer life. Continuous training and skill upgradation helps in nurturing our workforce to yield optimum results. All our end products go through rigorous quality checks at each level of production, ensuring top-notch 100% quality in our sophisticated testing laboratory. Inventaa has pan-India distribution network with strong presence in southern India, having company-owned stock points at various strategic locations. At Inventaa, we lay great emphasis on sustainability initiatives, energy efficiency and eco-friendly manufacturing process to the best way possible. Inventaa will continue to shine bright with our able, diverse, dedicated workforce. Our employees are our strength.
Excellence through innovation.
A proud Indian lighting company continues its journey serving the customers across the country with the top trendy designs and best-in-class products with complete end-to-end manufacturing.
Fashionable, attractive LED lights made in India offer the best value for your money. Inventaa's magic will continue to lighten up your homes in the days and years to come. Inventaa LED Light, the true Indian brand.
Excellence through innovation.
Excellence through innovation.
Inventaa LED Lights. Excellence through innovation.